Hey guys, we went to Moss Landing KOA in Monterey County, California, and overall it was one of our top picks. If we were to go back, we would definitely go back. We wanted somewhere cool for 4th of July, so we decided to go there because I mean, I know it's a dry county, but you guys will see at the end what we're talking about. It was amazing. We enjoyed it. It's kind of like your own little spot in there. They have like a fence around it. You can walk to like a wharf, and they have tons of boats. We were able to go get fresh fish. We were able to go out to this lady that they recommend, and she fillets fish right on her boat.
If you're ever in the area, you got to go to this lady. I forgot the name of the lady herself, but she's very nice, and she's like willing to just talk with you and tell you. She'll even fillet the fish for you. She's very sweet. I mean, it was awesome, and it was a cool experience.
She
that was the
feeds
first time me and Olivia have ever gotten fresh fish just like that, and she sells it at good price.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty good priced. She feeds all the extra fish to this, like, I think it's a seal.
A seal, a water dog.
I don't know what it's called.
There's a bunch of different names for it.
But it just, it chills right there in the little, like, area where the boats are, and it's pretty cool to watch.
Yeah, and I'm sure we got some pictures that we'll share with you guys, and yeah.
Keep watching. Thank you guys. Hey guys, so we rode our bikes around. I think it was the day before 4th of July, and we went to this little, it's like they have fresh fish as well. It's like a fish market. And you go in, and we have a lot of videos of it. It's actually really cool. It's right there by Moss Landing. The beach is really nice at Moss Landing. We were able to just cruise on our bikes. It wasn't packed. It was a nice day.
The beach is dog friendly.
Yeah.
On some parts.
Half of it's dog friendly, not all of it.
And when you go check in, they'll give you this paper, and they'll mark it up for you and show you what is.
So we were asking why it was called like an express, because we're like, what the heck? Why? We've never heard of an express before, and the reason why is because it doesn't have a pool, and it doesn't have access to like a playground or whatever, but there is a playground right next to it. You just have to walk out of the little RV park.
So they were grandfathered in to be an express, right?
Yeah.
Or something?
Yeah, but they called it an express because I guess it's the only one like that. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Please watch the rest of this video and you'll see what we're talking about. That's what I'm saying.
Over here,
Yeah, but
it's fishes.
just right.
And the fishes are really dead. Damian.
And how the fish flip is this?
Yes, please.
Trust me. Nice time, man.
Hey, taking a video?
The day we die ready, and we got to the ready, and we got to the tortoise, and then I want to cheese, everybody.
No, slow down, no. Yeah. Woo-hoo!
Hey guys.
So we went to like the boat that the lady fillets fish off of for 4th of July. We also watched fireworks, and overall it was a really good experience. Keep watching and you'll see what we mean by watching fireworks, because I know it's a dry county, but honestly it was really cool to experience.
It was probably one of the better 4th of Julys we've had in a really long time,
Yeah.
and it was very nice. It was relaxing, and we definitely enjoyed it. And Moss Landing, I think we'll go back. Even if we were to get a 5th wheel, I think we could still fit, because there was a lot of 5th wheels in there, and I mean there were some big ones. So if you're ever questioning it, some people were telling us that it was really small and that we probably wouldn't fit, but hey, we fit.
Hey everyone, we appreciate you guys watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow our social media. We have an Instagram and a TikTok. We appreciate you guys following our journey and keep watching. We have more to come.
So until then, please share with all your friends. We appreciate it.